Hello guys, this is Maduba John from MJC Designs. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today this is going to be a continuation of our railings tutorial of last video. Today I'm going to show you more options on railings in archicad that you might not have come across or you might not know that you can achieve. Before I proceed, kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button so you don't miss videos like this. Now let's get started. So still going to go to, let's use this for instance. Okay, you can use this or this for this one we want to create now, but I'm just going to start with this, or let's just use this. Okay, so we draw out our railings, click it, see what it looks like. Okay, so we want to achieve something different from this. Okay, we want to achieve something different from this. So we're going to go ahead and start working on it now. So like this, go to the settings and then you delete this for instance. Or you leave it because it's going to be part of what we want to do. This panel, we change the fixing. Want to use this type. Okay, and then let's go ahead and see the difference we have right there. Okay, so we delete this. We just want a plain glass type of railing. We delete this. Okay, this is what we want. We want just this handrail and glass. Okay, so we're going to delete these two. We're going to delete the inner post. Okay, see what we have. I'm going to turn on the inner post again. Let's undo. Instead of deleting it, best thing to do is to remove it. Say none. Okay, same thing with our post. Go to our post and say none. Okay, want the glass to join, let's go ahead and join it. Zero, zero. Okay, looking fine. Go ahead and change our railings, a handrail to the other side. This is supposed to be the outer side, it's supposed to be the inner side. So now you see this type of rail. We are going to make sure this right there is the fixing to what we hold the glass at the back. So we are going to maybe use this. If this is not allowed to be used in the settings, then we are going to just use slab. But let's see if it can be. So we would reduce the width, so maybe something 30, and increase the height, maybe 250. See what we have. It's going down. Let's put it up. Okay, is the panel we'll have to reduce. Correct. As you can see, you can reduce this. Use it to maybe 75. Okay. Okay. Now this is the front of the railing. So if we notice our fixing is not showing, let me turn this so you'd understand. This is supposed to be the inner side. Okay, this is supposed to be the inner side. Okay, so that you understand what I'm actually doing. Okay, now you want to put fixing on this rail. If you see nothing is holding it, you want to make sure something is fixed somewhere on the glass. Just go to the rail handrail, click it. The fixing is turned on, but because of the settings it's not showing. So what we are going to do is go to the distribution. There is it right there. So this is it. As you can see, it looks nice. So normally archicad doesn't really have this for you to select from. Okay, so you're just going to we are going to look at how it works with stair. So we're going to draw a stair now and see how it works with it. So it is either you draw your stair first, or you just activate your handrail. Make sure this handrail is activated. Okay, activate your handrail, then you select your stair and turn on the handrails. Or there are two ways. It's either you turn on the handrail, which makes it very easy for you to draw, or you just I've turned on my handrail, so I'm going to draw and see how you guys will see how it comes. So it's better to just turn on your handrail, and so you can just draw at once. And that's it. and that's it. So as you can see, the handrails are facing the other way, which is not totally correct. So we are going to try to make sure we do it properly. This side is supposed to be facing here, and this side is supposed to be facing here. That means probably didn't really take that into consideration when doing our handrail. So we're just going to change the setting a bit. For this is supposed to be facing the other way. We're going to, instead of minus, we're going to make it 25. So it will come to the other side. Okay. Yeah, so it will come to the other side. And these two, we're going to switch it. Going to switch it to the other side. Okay, now this is it. And this is fine. Same thing we do here. Going to select this and make it minus 25. And then the handrail, we're going to switch it. So it's fine, and you can just shift this a bit. Okay, you can just shift this a bit. Fixing. Just shift the fixing a bit. Let's see fixing. Just go ahead and change the settings to whatever looks fine for you. Okay. This is basically how it works. Okay. I'll still shift it a bit. You can use a combination of the archicad normal wheels, and then want to reduce this. So That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Remain Maduba John from MJC Designs.